Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are...
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living. In 2015, we noticed that some birds were hanging around in our flower pot on our front porch. So I started doing a little closer inspecting, and this is what I found. I discovered that the house finches had laid 4 eggs in the nest inside the flower pot. I trimmed the flowers back in the hanging basket so that we could get a better view of the birds. That is the mother bird that's sitting on the eggs right now. This is a pretty bad storm that came through this evening. Lots of wind and lots of lightning and rain. This bird was having fun playing in the puddles after the bad part of the storm was over with. On July the 20th, the first egg had hatched out. By the next morning, there were 2 more eggs hatched out for a total of 3. This is the dad helping to feed the baby birds. By the next morning, on July the 22nd, all 4 eggs had hatched out completely. This is all 4 of the baby birds, and I would make little clicking sounds and they would raise up to be fed. I thought this was just absolutely adorable. This was July the 25th, and it was a windy day, but Mom was taking care of all the babies and feeding all of them and protecting them. We really enjoyed watching them. We could see them all day long as she'd come back and forth feeding the little baby birds. This was about 3 or 4 days later, and you can tell the birds are really starting to get bigger as the mom is feeding them. They're really raising up and they're growing fast. Okay, this video clip was made on July the 30th, and the birds are continuing to get bigger. They do finally fly away from the nest on August the 6th, and I'm going to show you just a couple of more clips before we get to that video. And when you see that video on August the 6th where they are flying away, you're going to hear my actual sound from that date, which was August the 6th of 2015. When you hear my voice, when they fly away, you can tell that I was very excited. I've been watching these birds grow up every single day, and it was extremely exciting to see them fly away. Okay, this is August the 5th, the day before the birds fly away from the nest, and there's several birds that are coming to the nest. I think they're trying to encourage the baby birds to fly. That's what me and Marie were thinking anyway, because they keep coming up there and staying a few seconds and then flying away. On the next clip, you're going to see the birds, the baby birds, actually start to fly away from the nest.
Marie! Marie! Come here. Stand over here and watch. That baby's fixing to fly. She got up there. You know, one flew just a minute ago. Watch it. Here's the daddy coming back. She's going to try to get it. I bet this is that other little baby that just flew right there. Watch him, Luke. She's fixing to go. There she goes. Watch her. There she went. We both got to see her fly away. Now, this other one that just come back has got to be the one that just flew a second ago. She just came back. This other one's getting up there. She's wanting to fly too.
I think they're flying around in front of them to show them how to do it.
They are. They're all coming around trying to help her. This one here has got to be one of the babies that came back. She just, look at her, she don't know how to do it too good. Watch her. She can't figure out how to do it. She's having a hard time getting back in. That's one of the babies coming back to the nest. And she's telling the other one, come on, let's go. See, she's hanging on the side. She don't know hardly know how to hang on. Watch her, there she goes.
She may not want to go because she's probably the youngest.
She is the youngest, yeah. She said, y'all please me. Don't make me fly by myself.
Did you know only 1% of supplements have earned the USC mark?
But I actually got to see her fly away by with my eyes, and I got the camera at the same time. But there was other birds up there said, you know, if you didn't know what was going on, you wouldn't know. But I know what happened. So there's one that hadn't left the nest yet. The other two that are on the nest right now, they're the ones that just left and they come back for a minute. You know what, Marie? There they go. They both went. That's where they go to. One went to a wire and one went to the tree. So we got one baby in there by herself right now. Uh-oh, she's fixing to go. She's fixing to go.
For my party idol, I rely on Almec. New Almec and Ed Vitals perfectly coordinated shades remind people out. So easy to do, so easy to do. He's got a diet, Almec, the American love.
There she goes, Marie. There she went. She landed on the electrical wire up there. What made her want to do that, I don't know, but she went up there and landed on the electrical wire. But they all flew out this morning, didn't they?
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Thanks everyone for watching our videos. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and leave comments. We appreciate all of our subscribers. Have a blessed day.